Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful belly rings. They're quick and easy. You already know how I do. One will be the evil eye and the next one will be an amethyst belly ring. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned. So first, we're going to start off with this evil eye clear quartz belly ring. I promise you guys, this shit is so damn easy. You're going to love it. So first things first, make sure that the belly rings that you buy have this loop at the end. First things first. If it doesn't have the loop at the end, then you're not going to make the belly ring. So just make sure it has that. We're going to start off with 5 inches of wire. You're not even going to need the whole 5 inches, but I always just start off with 5. So now what you see me doing is putting the wire through the hole and bending it, right? So you want to be gentle as possible when you're bending it because you don't want to break the hook or the loop part because you're going to make another loop around it. I will be showing you a quicker way on how to make this loop, but just in case you don't have a round nose pliers, you can just use your hands. I'll show you how to do the same exact thing with the round nose pliers when we get to the amethyst belly ring. So after you cross the wires, you're going to grab your flat nose pliers and you're going to hold the back of the wire, not the front. So just make sure you're paying attention to the front of the belly ring because you're going to hold the back of it. Once you get a good grip, you're just going to wrap it around twice or 3 times, whatever you think is nice, but I'm only going to wrap it around twice. And it should look like this in the front. So that's what I'm saying. The main thing is just to be gentle and make sure that you're paying attention to the front part of the belly ring, because sometimes I twist it and I'm like, oh snap, this is the back, and I have to do it all over again. But as you make it, you'll realize what I'm talking about. Once you're finished wrapping it around, you're going to use your wire cutters to cut off the rest of the wire. Also, as you can see here, I wrapped it too much and I'm going to just pull the wire back a little bit and snip off just a little more. Once you're done, it should look like this. Make sure that your wires stay straight, so you're always going to use your neon pliers. And I'm laughing because I bought an extra piece off Amazon and it didn't fit. So now my pliers look like this. It's a little ghetto, but it gets the job done. Once you finish straightening your wire, now it's time to just add on whatever gemstones or beads you would like. So once you got the perfect placement for your beads, you're going to take your round nose pliers and bend the wire exactly where the bead ends. As you can see, I bent the wire and I'm going to start twisting the wire. So I'm pushing the wire down and I'm twisting it. This wire is an 18 gauge wire, but I believe it's an 18 gauge wire that is soft. So watch as I just press down and twist the wire. Once that's completed, you're going to take your wire cutters and you're going to snip off the rest of the wire and just tuck that wire underneath the loop you just made. Now it's time to make the amethyst belly ring. If you would like to see more belly ring designs, please leave a comment below because I have so many different styles. If you check my website, you will see that as well. So now I'm going to show you how to just use the round nose pliers to make your hook quick and easy. Did you see how quick that was? But if you don't have a round nose pliers, you can just do it that first way that I showed you. But the same steps are the same after you make your loop. Now I'm going to show you two different designs for the amethyst belly ring. This design first, you can end it the same way I did with the evil eye belly ring, but I'm also going to show you a different way to close out a belly ring with a different design as well. But here's the first design. I thought this was cute. So once again, you can just close that belly ring the same way we did the evil eye by just wrapping the bottom. But with this one, I'm just going to show you a different design so you can just play with different ideas. So what I did was just wrap the wire around the last crystal. You need to keep pressure on the gemstone and the wire and make sure that the gemstone is facing forward, because sometimes as you're wrapping, the gemstone is going to move around, but that's why I'm keeping my thumb on top of it just so I can wrap it around perfectly. And as you can see, even though I'm keeping it tight, the gemstone is still moving. So please just be gentle with it because it's going to come out cute. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around and making sure I'm getting the perfect fit. And I felt like this was cute too. Honestly, I think everything is cute, okay? I made it quick and easy. It's cute. What do you expect? Yes. I'm sorry, y'all. I really tickled myself. But just after that, use your wire cutters to cut off that part and tuck it in. And these are the results. That's the front and that's the back. Oh, and one important thing, if you cannot tuck in that wire, please make sure you get a nail file and just file the wire in one direction only. If you do not know how to use a nail file for the ends, please check out my previous videos and I can show you how. So here are the two belly rings we just made. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you would like to see different designs, just let me know in the comments and I got you. Thanks for watching.